Nestled in the serene landscape of the Rakanithi County, Ikuu Girls Secondary School stands as a beacon of academic excellence, discipline, and empowerment. Education is a powerful tool that transforms lives. At Ikuu Girls Secondary School, we believe that no dream should be cut short due to financial constraints. That is why IKUU for IKUU welfare was established.
As a school, we have very many students from poor backgrounds, and still they are very bright. So I came up with an idea for IKUU for IKUU, where I consulted the teachers, and together we came up with the initiative of IKUU for IKUU. This is a program where we raise money within the school and even outside, and we use that money to assist the bright and the needy students.
IKUU for IKUU is a program that was started in the year 2018. The total amount of money that we have raised since the year 2018 to 2024 is 1,146,760 Kenya shillings. The number of students who have benefited from this program is 175 students.
We had a challenge of very bright and needy students. The then principal came up with a program that we called IKUU for IKUU, whereby students, teachers, and well-wishers came together. We pulled some resources together, and we started giving internal bursaries to these students.
Education should never be a privilege. It should be a right. To support our bright yet financially challenged students, our welfare program engages in income-generating activities. One such initiative is detergent making, where students provide high-quality cleaning solutions used within the school. Every purchase directly contributes to a girl's education. Our school posho mill is another vital project. The school processes maize into flour, paying for the service, and in turn generating funds that helps keep students in school.
Mimi nilipewa kazi na IKUU for IKUU welfare. Mimi nilipewa kazi ya kuoperate machine ya kusaidia watoto mdokoi na unga.
Agriculture plays a significant role in sustaining our welfare initiative. Through pig and dairy farming, we produce meat and fresh milk, which are sold to the school, ensuring a steady income that goes towards school fees for those in need. Baking is yet another skill that empowers our students while supporting the welfare program.
My name is Eric Morangeri Mutegi. Kazi mimi nimeajiriwa na kikundi cha IKUU for IKUU welfare, ambao tunafanya kazi ya kupika mikate, kuoka mikate huku.
Every day, freshly baked bread is supplied to the school, creating an opportunity to generate funds while also fostering practical skills in entrepreneurship.
We have various sources of income for this program. The Board of Management has supported this idea, and therefore we have looked for ways of generating money to help the needy students. One of the ways is through the sale of snacks. During school functions, we grow sukuma wiki, which is also sold to the school, and the profit is also used to help the needy students. We are also partnering with the well-wishers, like the Equity Bank. The Equity Bank sponsors some students. Those are the wings to fly. We also have the government sponsoring the bright and the needy student through a RIM scholarship. We have others who have been sponsored by KCB Foundation, and we are still looking forward to getting more well-wishers to assist the needy children to give them education because it is not their wish that they come from poor backgrounds.
Through the efforts of the Ikuu Welfare Initiative, students like Jane can continue their education and pursue their dreams with confidence.
Sometimes I could stay at home for weeks or even months. This greatly affected my academics. But through Ikuu for Ikuu, I was able to accomplish my studies. I scored an A-. I am currently pursuing actuarial science at University of Nairobi.
Her story is just one of many proof that education, when supported by a strong community, can open doors to endless possibilities. The impact of Ikuu for Ikuu welfare goes beyond paying school fees. It is about building leaders, professionals, and role models who return to uplift others.
I'm a teacher here at Ikuu Girls, a TP teacher. Now, some years back, I was here as a student. I remember back then I used to encounter issues with my fees. Ikuu Girls for Ikuu, they helped me with my fees and I passed really well. I got a B plain in my KCSE and I went and pursued education at Kenyatta University. I'm currently doing my teaching practice. I teach maths and chemistry. I teach the girls very well. They love me, they adore me, and they listen to what I say. You know, chemistry and maths are not easy subjects to the girls, but when I came here, they saw it is possible for them also to get good grades and be at the university like I did. I did it to give back to the society, and I love this school, and I love what they did for me.
I am a beneficiary of the Ikuu for Ikuu welfare. I used to spend weeks at home, but now I thank the Ikuu for Ikuu for helping my parents to pay for my school fees. So thank you for the Ikuu for Ikuu. The main misfortune that befalls our girls is lack of school fees to complete their studies. And therefore, as the instructors, we feel much privileged when we get benefactors who can help them pay for their school fees and other financial aids. We've been able to get such aids from programs such as Wings to Fly through Equity Bank, and also the Limo program that is through Equity Bank in collaboration with the government. But due to the big number of our students, we are not able to adequately cover this, and therefore, as a gender champion, I would appeal to anyone that would be able to assist us in such ways, either as an individual or as a group, to come up to assist us, and we'll be really grateful. Therefore, help us make these great minds of Ikuu girls to become who they should be. Girls, Ikuu for Ikuu!
We are always Ikuu girls!
What started as a simple idea has transformed lives, proving that when a community comes together, the impossible becomes possible.